County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern King and Queen County, central Charles City County, eastern New Kent County, southeastern King William County, northwestern James City County in southeastern Virginia, until 10:30 a.m. At 9:37 a.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Charles City, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Kent and Barhamsville around 9:50 a.m. West Point around 9:55 a.m. Shackelford's in Little Plymouth around 10 a.m. Glenn's around 10:05 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Holly Forks, Eltham, Chickahominy Shore, Crescent, Lenexa, Mattaponi, Colonial Downs, Santa Bottom, Warrenville, and Diaskin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.